lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name's Maya. If you've never been here before, nice to meet ya. Hit that subscribe button down below to see more videos from me. Today we are filming this makeup look using some new products I am trying out for one of the first times, and then using some oldie but goodie products that you guys know I love. So if you want to see how I did this look, just keep watching. Okay, so let's just jump right in here. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a makeup wipe. These are the Garnier Skin Naturals makeup wipes, and just get any of the leftover product that is on my face off. I try and wash my face like every night before I go to bed, but sometimes the mascara like clumps under your eyes, you know. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm just going to go in with the skincare I like to do before I put on my makeup. So, I actually haven't done this before, but I'm going to take the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes. And then I'm just going to take the Coconut Smoothie Priming Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. I'm just going to put that all over my face as a primer slash moisturizer. I love this stuff. It smells so good. So now we're just going to let that dry a little bit. I didn't let my beauty blender. But let's go in. So the reason that I put that eye primer down is because today I'm going to try using the Needles No More Baggage Dr. Brandt eye depuffing gel. But it says to put on the moisturizer first. So I'm just letting that sink into the skin. And then now we'll go in with this. So it's just this like gel that you use to depuff under the eye. So between this and the Banana Bright Eye Cream, my under eye is going to be looking so good, you guys. Alright. Okay, so we're all blended in now. So now I'm going to go in and do my brows. And this is a new brow product. Can you believe it? It is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. And this is in the shade 4. So I'm just going to go through and fill in my brows. I know I have a mirror here. I got lots of mirrors. So you just kind of twist it up like this. And then I'm just going to go in as usual, filling them in. I really like this. It's a little bit creamier than the old eye pencil that I was using, but I don't think this pencil has ever worked as well as it just did, so thank you. So then the one problem about this, I've talked about it before, is it doesn't have a spoolie. So I just grabbed my old Tarte Amazonian Clay waterproof brow pencil, and I'm just going to go through with this spoolie. So now we're going to jump in and do the eyes. Did I not even bring the palette over here? What am I doing? So first of all, we're going to start with the usual CoverGirl Lid Lock-Up Primer. Nothing new about that. Just putting it on the lids. And I'm going to go in for a look that I have honestly never done before. We're going to go for a blue look. I don't know how it's going to go. I don't know if it's going to look good, but we're just going to jump in and do it. So let me just go grab the palette. I'm going to be using the Morphe X James Charles palette. I don't have the shade names with me because they come on a separate sheet, and that's just super annoying. But we're going to be using these bottom shades in here, the blue colors, to do a look. And it's going to be real interesting. So I'm going to grab my brushes. Again, as usual, I'm using the Tarte ones that came with it's like the Tartelette Feel Good brushes or something like that. And then, of course, my Colourpop brush that I also always use. The E10 brush for under the eyes. So that mirror is not doing anything. So we're gonna just go in with the lightest, we're just gonna go into the quick transition shade, so we'll just take, I'll also leave the shade names on the screen. We'll just go in with this white shade here, just to lay something down before the blue. Also, these brushes aren't clean, so it probably won't be completely white, but that's okay. The same brush, we're going to go in with the kind of cyan color. Oh, it's super pigmented. Okay. And we're just going to layer that all over the lid. Okay, it doesn't transfer quite as well. Yo, this is crazy. I don't know what I think. Well, no, I do know what I think. I don't like it yet, but we'll try. I'm just gonna go in and clean up the inner corner. Alright, there we go. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the deeper kind of purpley blue shade on the same brush. There, that's a bit better. Probably shouldn't have gone in really hard with the cyan at first. Yeah, that really calms down that other color, so that's nice. I'm just going to take a little bit more of that and just kind of focus it into the crease. Okay, now we'll take this thinner brush and we'll go in with the deeper blue. Just going to blend that into the outer corner. Really focus that on the outer third. Okay, interesting. I'm just gonna again go in and clean that up a little bit. Alright, so then we're gonna go in with the under the eye brush, and I'm just gonna take, I'm trying to decide if I want to do another blue or if we should do brown. You know, I'm gonna take this deep purple color next to the blues on the bottom of the brush and put that on the lower lash. We're going all in. Okay, and then we're going to take a little bit of the blue shimmery shade. It's like a light blue shimmery shade. Now, the only thing I don't like about the James Charles palettes is the shimmers, so we'll see how this goes, but I'm just going to put it right on the center. Okay, that's actually really pretty. That's actually so gorgeous. I actually really like that. Okay, I'm just gonna again like clean this up a little. Cool. Alright, so we'll leave the eyes like that for now. And we'll go into the face. So I'm gonna take the, as per usual, the only foundation I ever use, the Milk Makeup Sunshine Skin Tint in the shade Fair, since I'm pale. And I'm just gonna kind of layer, like, put that all over my skin. I'm actually kind of about this look. I don't think I'd ever, like, hardcore wear it, but I kind of like this. And then we're just gonna, this one says it's best to use your fingers, so I'm just using my fingers to blend in the foundation. And it's such a dewy foundation. Like, I was looking to get a new one because I was kind of fed up with this one, but then I put it on for an interview I had the other day, and it's so nice. Like, It's so, just dewy, and I don't have oily skin, so I can wear dewy foundation, and you bet that I'm going to wear dewy foundation if I can. Alright, now that we're all super dewy, we'll go in with the concealer. I don't know if I filmed a video since I started using this concealer again, but where are you? Sephora Bright Futures Gel Serum Concealer, and it is in the shade Meringue. I love this stuff so much. Ah! Okay, we're good. So I normally just use it to cover up my blemishes. I'm not really one who puts it underneath the eyes because I don't have super dark circles or blemishes to fix underneath the eyes. Also, it's quite pink toned. It's not super like brightening because it's the same color as my skin. So that's kind of what I do. I'm just looking for any other blemishes. And then we'll take a beauty blender that I did not wet, which I really should have. So I'm just going to use my makeup wipe and just kind of get it a little bit damp. Do not do this. This is not a good idea, but... Alright, so now it's a little bit damp, so we're just going to go blend in the concealer. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just going to go in with my Sephora Beauty Amplifier Smoothing Translucent Setting Powder. I don't put a lot of this on, but just so that nothing slides around on my face, I'm just going to take my big fluffy brush, tap off the excess, and use my mirror to just make sure I'm putting it. I normally just put it under the eyes, down the nose, and the forehead. Just to set down anything so it's not all slidey. Because the foundation is such a slippery foundation, I want to set it in place. And using a translucent powder also helps to not make it look super cakey. Because if you use like a powder foundation to do that, it can just add to the cakiness. We don't want to look cakey. Now, we are going to take bronzer. So I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I love this stuff. It smells so good. It's like $14 Canadian at the drugstore. It's so good. So I'm just swirling my brush in this, tapping off the excess, and putting it on the points of my face where I normally get sun. I don't tan, but we can pretend. If I did, this is where you'd be the most bronze. And then underneath my jaw, down into the neck. And then I also just kind of like to layer it like kind of just all over my face for like a glow because I am so pale. Okay, now we're going to go with blush. So I'm taking my Luxie 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush, and I'm going to take the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Partay. So I'm just going to pick this up on the brush, and then you just want to put it on the high points of your cheeks. Now, I never wear blush on a day-to-day basis because your girl cannot add extra redness to her face, but when I have foundation on, it covers up a lot of the redness, so you can add that in. Now, we're going to go in with my Morphe, where are you? This got bent the other day, but my Morphe R31 brush that I've been talking about a lot. It is a highlighter brush, and I'm trying to decide between going back into this palette or going into the BH Cosmetics Sylvia Ganni palette, which also has a highlight in it, but I've been feeling like the highlight is too dark in this palette. So, going into the James. This palette is so hard to open. Okay. I'm just gonna mix the shades, these two shades. Ooh, I'll tell you what they are on the screen. Has the highlight. Yes. Can you guys see that popping? So nice. so then I'm just adding a little bit to the tip of my nose. Cupid's bow and under the lip. And then we're going to go in with this new product. I think I probably mentioned it before, but it's the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in the shade Stella. I always like to use this to brighten up basically all the parts of my face to make me look more awake, but specifically the inner corner of the eye. So I'm just going to put this on the inner corner of the eye. I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose, on the Cupid's bow, underneath the lip, just to add that extra highlight, you know. Can't be too glowy. Okay, so now we're just going to finish up the eyes, do the lips, and we'll be done. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of this shimmery blue shade on the eye. For anything else to clean up, but I think we're good. So now we're going to go in with mascara. And you guys, I'm late to this, okay? I appreciate that, but I never thought that I would like it. And I wasn't going to get on the bandwagon, and then I bought this, like, collector's set from Sephora, which there will be a haul going up either before or after this video, which you can see there. And it came in here. So this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, and I have been proven wrong. This is a great mascara. I love it. It's my favorite of the set so far, and yeah, I apologize for not jumping onto the bandwagon. So we're just going to put this on. Okay, so the mascara is on. We'll let that dry a little bit. And then we're going to go in with the lips. So I brought 2 lip products. And I can't decide which one I want to use. One of them I've tried before and one of them I haven't. Maybe we'll swatch them on the hand. Okay, so the first one is this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Verona that I got in a BoxyCharm. And the second one is the Bare Minerals Swag Matte, or matte lipstick in the shade Swag, I guess. This one I wear almost every single day. The Ofra one I have not tried, so let's swatch it. Ooh, that's really brown. It feels really nice, but I don't think that's going to look very good with the look. I want a more neutral color. So then we also have the Bare Minerals, which is a lot more pinky nude. I think that's the one we're going to go with. Also, it smells like chocolate, which is really important. So, my Fix Plus is not currently here, or I would use that to set my face, but I think that's going to be it for this look. Let me look in the full mirror. I actually kind of like the blue. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below, but I think I kind of like it. So, that was the James Charles palette, of course, that I used, and it's really hard to find really pigmented blue shades, so kudos to him. He really knows what he's doing. Yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment down below, letting me know what you thought of the video, if you want to see more makeup tutorials, all that fun stuff, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!